In the vast expanse of the animal kingdom, oddities abound. Take the octopus, for instance, a creature with not one, not two, but three hearts. Intriguing, isn't it? Then there's the elegant flamingo, whose collective noun is as flamboyant as their vibrant plumage, a flamboyance. But let's not stop there. Elephants, those gentle giants, share secrets in whispers we cannot hear, employing infrasound to communicate. A world full of wonder, the animal kingdom is a treasure trove of the weird, the wonderful, and the downright spooky. Dive in and discover every fact, a surprise waiting to be unwrapped.